This is 2ZR engine. 2ZR. At times we normally have smoke in the car, and some people go ahead and change rings. And what I discovered here is from this valve down to the manifold, which causes a lot of smoke in the car and shortage of oil. So what you got to do, you have to replace the valve here. You have to replace the valve, which will cause a lot of damage to the engine. You can see a lot of oil everywhere. So I decided to remove the manifold, and then I have to go ahead because to block this immediately so that the car can work perfectly. I just want to give it a try. I have to block this hose. I have to block the hose to see if it will give me a perfect job before I will upload this video. So I have to drive the car. If it works, I will upload the video on my YouTube channel. But if it doesn't work perfectly, because this should be a valve where the engine should a little bit have a breathing space. So, but right now I have to block it, a total blockage, so that the car will not smoke, and then we won't have another shot of oil in the engine. So I have to couple this back. Just like I said, this is 2ZR Toyota Corolla. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Miami Automobile Technicals YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Just like I said, I'll be coming up with different things, both in programming, in technical work, gearbox, engine, and so a lot of things, timing, different timing of any kind of a car you think. I can do that for you. So subscribe to my channel. More things will be coming. We have many things to come. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Here is the valve again. You can discharge it out and change it. All right. Thank you. Goodbye for now.